Hello, this is my week 12 video. So this video is basically explaining what is an executive report and so in uh, the executive report, so you have to put the project objective, the vulnerabilities, the statistics, the risks, and managing the report. So for my report, I wrote a summary of what I needed to do. So talk about that later. So first, oh yeah, let's go to technical report first before I explain. For technical report, it's basically like a PPT, pen test, and then it's explained basically what I did on there, here. I even explained my challenges. I couldn't get root access, as you know. So let us go to the actual report now. So I guess you can say because like week 12 and week 13 is basically the same thing because it's used for that, but I guess what I can do is I can just explain uh, I guess I can explain what I did, like how I did my report and stuff, and then like for week 13 I'll explain about more of the commands and technical aspect of what I did. I guess so, because like they're kind of the same thing. So for this video, uh, the scope and methodology. Right, so the purpose of this penetration test, basically I just wrote the scope, so I wrote the purpose, and then I explained how I got the actual URL, and like I said, still this test is for what, and then I explained how I got that, and then I explained about identified vulnerabilities, like high. So basically, like, this is high. Then I explained on how I got this. Like I said, I'm gonna explain more in depth on the week 13 video because that's what it's for, and week 12 is more of how to make the report and how to make the stuff. So I explained that this is critical and a reverse shell, and then of course the technical findings which I had to do. So this is the reconnaissance, basically the first phase, what I did, and the scanning, and grog, and how I set up everything. And then I wrote my challenges on the technical findings. I also wrote my challenges and overall conclusion. And now we go to the, what was it called again? Let's check. I mean, this is the executive report. So basically we just summarize, or like we just say the actual findings, so like we can actually so the real IP, we use this, then we have to each one what I did. So I did brute force for the WebP scan and the remote control theme, then shell access, and my challenges, of course. I mean, that's it for this video, because like I said, week 12 is more of how I made the report and how I made the PPT. While week 13 I'll be explaining more about what I did for each step and why I did it, and what's the goal. So I guess week 12 is like a general summary on how I did everything, and yeah, I will explain more in week 12. So thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next one.